Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 30-minute money methods review and just let you know if I think this is a good product or not. Help save time and money for you. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love to do. If you're returning to the channel, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And again, today's video, 30-minute money methods review. First thing I thought about this product was the sales page was pretty hypey. They talked about making $500 every 30 minutes, and something that I thought was pretty funny was they claimed you can make $50,000 a month in just 1 hour of work. So then it really gets your curiosity up, like, what is this? And you've watched sales videos that just get you really excited and think, oh, I wish I could do that. So I went ahead and got it so I could let you know what was inside of it. It was $37. I didn't do any of the upsells, of course, so I don't know what the upsells are. But I had to know, how is it that you can make this kind of money in such a short period of time? So this is the basic membership for $37. The first 30-minute money method is making money online by doing voiceovers. Now I know from reading some things, I was actually kind of interested in this myself at one time, because you can make some really good money being a voiceover actor. This is just general overview of how to go about getting work as a voiceover artist, how to market yourself, how to get paid, and some equipment that you would need, the software and the hardware. And compare, let's see, further learning, compared guides and courses. So it's a pretty short ebook here. And the second 30-minute money method is make money online by selling stock photos. So it walks you through how to do that exactly, choosing your subject, what kind of software you need, purchase models, how to edit them. So that's the second ebook on how you're supposed to be making all this money. And the third 30-minute money method is by freelancing online. So you can do writing, data and analytics, coding and development, how to get your foot in the door, what to charge, some of the software that you'd use. So that's the third ebook that you get for the $37. And then the fourth one has to do with gaming. Okay, making money with online gaming. So let's see, the gaming market, web games that paid to play games, tournament and sweepstakes sites, resource farming, live streaming, those kind of things. So that's the fourth ebook. And then it looks like you get your free commission website that you're going to be making lots of money. Again, I don't know what the upsells are, but I went ahead and got this $37 basic membership just to see what it was, to help save you some time and money. And I think that the video is probably an actress, and I think that a lot of or maybe all of the videos are actors. That's just the feeling that I get, that it doesn't look like it's a really high quality product, because I think a lot of this information you could get for free on the internet, just learning on your own. So I definitely don't think it's worth $37. So that is my 30-minute money methods review. And products like this, to me, just make people think that they can make money with push button software, and that's really not the case, because if you've bought any kind of courses like this, you don't end up making the kind of money that they say. The way I look at making money online through affiliate marketing is you have to learn skills. I went to school for 7.5 years after high school to get my master's in physical therapy. And so I learned a skill, and it pays me very well. Well, turning to internet marketing, I know that I have to learn certain skills. I have to learn how to drive traffic, conversions, email marketing. There's certain skills that you have to learn, and there's really no way around that. You have to build an audience, build a brand, and that takes time. It takes education, but that's really the only way that you're going to build a long-term sustainable business. It's not by buying products such as this. So that's what this channel is all about, is teaching you really the basics of how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, what you need to do from start to finish. And if you want to take a look at my #1 recommended program for building an affiliate marketing business, learning exactly what you need to do from start to finish, then that's in the link, the #1 link below my video here. And if you found value from this 30-minute money methods review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and making money from home, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. And again, I appreciate you guys, and that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.